Welcome students, this is Sajid Mughal and today's lecture we are going to learn about conversion, that how we can convert a data type to another data type. Like we want to convert an integer to float, like so. Okay, if we want to convert a data type, then how much methods we have to adopt it. There are two main methods in C#. These are called implicit typecasting. Second one is explicit typecasting. Implicit typecasting is done by the compiler itself, and implicit typecasting we have to do it by ourselves and by a method. That's it. These conversion, implicit typecasting conversion, is these conversion are performed by C# in a type safe manner. For example, our conversion from smaller to large internal types and conversion from derived classes to base classes. And implicit typecasting type conversion is these conversions are done explicitly by users using the predefined function in place. Explicit conversion required a cast operator. Simply, I want to say that this is you can say this is float data type. This is a container which stores the float data type, and this is another container that is stored integer data type. We can put integer into float data types. This is called implicit type conversion or typecasting that compiler do itself. Okay, and if we want to convert floating data type convert into integer, we can't do it because the container for integer is smaller than container for floating data types. Okay, so this is the main purpose. Okay, let's implement our examples that how we can do conversion and in our programming. This is our previous course code. We are I'm going to use it at int a. Okay, and a is equals, I'm going to assign this value is equals 20, and I'm going to float b is equals a. Okay, now I'm going to print these values whether it's working or not. cmd cdc practice folder and to csc to ex.cs, compiled, run. Okay, that's working well because integer can be converted into float by implicit type conversion, because the integer container is less than or having smaller space. That's why it is implicitly typecast conversion convert to float. I'm going to use this as float and this is int. Now what's going on? Compile it. This is compiler errors that float cannot be converted to into integer. I'm going to assign this as f. Okay, it should not convert because now it is not convertible. So we have to use our explicit type conversion method. b is equals convert, b is equals convert dot to int 32 and assign the value a. Okay, now compile it again. Use of unassigned local variable b. Unassigned, what is this error? Okay, I should write it for a, because we have to convert a into b. This great. Run this. Yes, this is working well. A is 20.5 and b is 20, because the after point the value is 0.5, that is dropped by the integer, and integer just store the value of integral parts. Okay, type conversion is most important, because nowadays this is graphical. Mostly systems are uses graphical inputs, and we have to use a lot of graphical inputs, and mostly they are in strings, and we have to convert it into integer and so. Suppose I'm going to here string, I'm going to write here over here character data type a, and I'm going to assign this as is 2. Now I'm going to convert this into b as integer. It should be convertible. Yes, converted. Yes, 50. Where is 50? 2, and there is some mistake. B a is equals 2 and b is equals 50. This is not good way to convert this. Let's practice this, and what was the error, debug them. This is a practical lesson for you, that how you will solve this, and next tutorial I will solve this exercise and do practice. Thanks a lot.